Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be having my son cook in the Instant Pot. He's going to be making an easy Rice Krispy Treats recipe that is super fun and easy for kids to make or adults to make. One thing I like about this recipe is that you can easily double it because of the size of the 6-quart pot, or if you have an 8-quart, that's even better. And you can throw in your leftover Halloween candy chopped up. We threw in some M&ms. But you can throw in, those Snicker bars or whatever, just chop them up and add them in when you add in the marshmallows. It's super yummy. We find this recipe works best when your marshmallows are fresh and not a little bit of crunchy. Sometimes those marshmallows don't get put away the way they're supposed to and they get a little stale. Use the soft marshmallows. It works out much better. It might seem intimidating to clean the pot because it's super sticky and messy. All you have to do is just put a little bit of hot water in the bottom and just get a little scrubber and scrub it off. It comes off pretty easy. I hope you like this recipe today, and if you'll indulge my son in this one, I think you're going to really like it. Make sure to watch those outtakes at the end. They're pretty fun. And I'll see you next Tuesday for YouTube Tuesdays with Karen. Instant Pot stuff every week. Bye.
1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Hi, I'm Skylar Peterson, and today we're making Rice Krispy Treats in the Instant Pot. This recipe is so easy, even a kid could do it. First thing that you do is push the saute button, and push the adjust button until it gets to normal. The first ingredient we add is the butter. Now we're going to let that butter melt. Once the butter is melted, add in the marshmallows. Now you just stir it all up. Once it looks like this, just remove the pot. Then add in the Rice Krispies. Then go ahead and stir. Once the treats are all stirred and done, then you add some cooking spray. We love M&ms and we love to add them into our Rice Krispy Treats. So you just dump a good amount and start stirring. Then pour them into the pan and just spread it out and make sure that you have clean hands. Let them sit for 15 minutes, then you can cut them up and eat them. You can get this recipe and a lot more recipes at my mom's blog, 365daysofcrockpot.com. Right?
Yeah.
365 days at crockpot.com. 365 days at crockpot.com. 365 days of crockpot. 365 days at crockpot.com. 365 days at crockpot.com. 365 days of crockpot.com.
Again. 365 days of crockpot.com.
Dang it! I said.